What's new with myAir Series 4? Motion sensors that automatically reduce airflow to empty rooms to save energy. This is just the latest in a long line of myAir innovations that look out for your comfort and energy bills. It started with giving you the ability to aircon only the rooms you're using. Consider this. An average house has 10 rooms, yet an average household has around 4 people. This means that only 3 or 4 rooms are being used at any one time. So why run the aircon in the whole house? A standard 4 or 5 zone system usually means combining rooms together. You may be using only 3 rooms, but you'll be cooling or heating 7. myAir Series 4 solves this by thoughtfully dividing your home into 10 zones, 1 for each room. You choose exactly which rooms receive air conditioning and how much. You can adjust the airflow to every room from 5 to 100% in precise 5% increments. Or upgrade to ITC, individual temperature control, and the system will automatically adjust the airflow to maintain your ideal temperature. Install an ITC sensor in any room you want temperature control over, like upstairs or west-facing rooms that heat up faster during the day, creating hot and cold spots. Rooms with ITC stay your ideal temperature, regardless of their orientation to the sun. And here's the best thing. myAir Series 4 now has motion sensors that automatically save you even more energy by reducing the airflow to empty rooms. If a room is empty for 10 minutes, myAir Series 4 will adjust the temperature by 1 degree. If it is empty 20 minutes, it adjusts another degree, reducing energy usage by a hefty 20%. Walk back in and it returns to your chosen setting. myAir delivers maximum comfort for minimum running costs. But ultimate control is in your hands with the 7-inch colour touchscreen. Plus, you can load it up with your favourite Android apps. Do your banking, get the news, check the weather, play music and manage your aircon from a central hub that never needs recharging. And here's the ultimate energy saver, the myAir app for your smartphone or tablet. Controlled from the couch. When it comes to comfort and energy efficiency, myAir Series 4 has considered everything. How thoughtful.